To fix a Chevy Equinox that will not start due to a Passlock anti-theft system lockout, you need to perform a 10-minute relearn procedure by leaving the key in the on position until the security light goes out. This resets the communication between the ignition cylinder and the engine computer so you can get back on the road. The Passlock system is designed to prevent your vehicle from being stolen by shutting off the fuel injectors if it does not recognize the ignition key signal. When the ignition lock cylinder wears out or the battery voltage drops, this system can falsely trigger. You will turn the key to crank the engine, but it will just crank without starting, and you will see the security light flashing on your dashboard. To begin the reset process, sit in the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed and the radio is turned off to save battery power. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This is the click right before the engine actually cranks over, where your dashboard lights up. Look at your instrument cluster and locate the flashing anti-theft lock icon. You must leave the key in this on position for exactly 10 minutes without touching anything else in the vehicle. Do not try to start the engine during this time. Keep an eye on the security light. After about 10 minutes, the flashing security light will completely turn off or stay solid without blinking. Once that light stops flashing, immediately turn the ignition key back to the off position. Leave the key in the off position for 20 seconds so the computer can store the new data code. After 20 seconds have passed, turn the key forward and start the engine normally. If the engine fires up, your anti-theft system has successfully reset. If the vehicle still refuses to start and the security light starts flashing again, the system requires a 30-minute master relearn. This simply means you must repeat the exact same 10-minute process 3 consecutive times. After the third cycle of waiting 10 minutes and turning the key off, the system will learn the new password and your Equinox will start right up.